welcome to a very special segment called Culinary Tales, where we cook something which is exotic, something which is unconventional, and today we will make something. I'm going to tell you what, but before that I need to introduce you to Mr. Bala Menon, who's our editor-in-chief, and I think you are like this what I should call you, like a chef or what? Like you like cooking, or are you an author of a recipe book? Tell me.
I'm an author, researcher, storyteller. Cooking is sort of a hobby. Experimenting with different dishes. This is a very unique dish from Kerela.
Okay.
Where mangoes are plenty. In the summer season, there are every dish has mangoes. And this is one of those dishes which is very special because it's made with mango, yogurt, and coconut, which is also another ingredient from Kerala.
Yeah.
So
what is it called?
It's called a kalan. It can be called a mango kalan or mango pulisheri. There are different names for different regions of Kerala. But the basic ingredient is a mango, yogurt, and coconut.
Okay, so we can call it mango yogurt.
Mango
curry?
in yogurt and coconut sauce.
Sauce. Okay, I can see all the ingredients here, but I still want our viewers to see what are we using for this recipe. So can you tell me what is it?
Now this is mango chunks, mango cubed. Mangoes cubed. Now it's frozen, of course. There's a bowl of mango pulp, which of course that's one of the main sauce. Yogurt, some ghee, of course, for cooking, and then there is in the end there's a tadka, of course.
Yeah.
Where we use the mustard and the dried chilies and the curry leaves. There's a cumin, chili powder, salt. This goes into the.
Okay, so
along with the grated
coconut. Okay, so I think our things here, the ingredients are ready. Let's get started. So we are making mango yogurt coconut sauce, and I will be cooking it.
Yes.
And you will be instructing me.
I will be supervising you.
Okay. Well, let me tell you before I begin, I'm a terrible cook, so I am dependent on you. Okay. So we'll begin with the
mango chunks, and then of course. I think pour a little water, glass of water would be ideal. But now, you can pour a glass of water. I'll pour that. Yeah, here.
So 1 glass is.
And then we'll pour in this mango pulp as well.
Too much mango, and I'm not complaining. Okay, so I am
along
mixing.
with this, we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So we can do that, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder.
So we have added mango chunks, diced mango chunks, and some mango pulp into this. And now we will add
half a teaspoon of half a teaspoon, or a little more maybe, just for the color. Yeah, that should be fine.
Turmeric.
Yeah.
Goes into this.
1 tablespoon of red chili. Salt to taste, of course.
Okay. Is it fine?
Yeah, decide how much, just guess.
A wild guess goes a long way. Okay.
And we'll let it boil.
Yes.
Let it
I'm gonna stir it
until mango chunks become softer.
Okay.
And maybe we can increase the heat now a little. In India, the mango is a national fruit of India. And in Pakistan is a national fruit, and so it is in the Philippines.
Oh wow.
And the mango tree is a national tree in Bangladesh.
Wow, so many fans of mango.
And the name mango itself, it's an Indian tree because it's called the Mangifera indica. That's a tree.
Okay.
It was originated in South Asia, from where it spread to other countries. It's it's indigenous to India and Southeast Asia, now Malaysia, and the word mango comes from the original Tamil word mangai.
Wow.
From where it went to Malaysia, it became manga. And then from there, I think it was picked up by the Portuguese, and I'm from India also, and they called it manga. And then it became the English mango.
Oh wow, it's like a long trail.
Yeah, the Portuguese who took it to the Caribbean and to Brazil first, where they started growing mango, and everybody liked that. And then the Spaniards took that over, and then they took it to Mexico. Now you see here we find mangoes from Mexico.
Yeah.
We hardly find anything from India.
Yeah, I mean, unless you go to an Indian store, but you find like a crate or so. But yeah, you mostly find Mexican mangoes here.
Interestingly, out of all the mangoes produced in the world, 46 to 48% are produced in India.
Wow, that's massive.
But in the world market, only 1% of Indian mangoes reach those shops. Why?
Because most of it is
Indians
consumed
eat most of the mangoes.
Yeah. I can see some bubbles coming up here, so we need to get it.
You can see if the thing softens a little, the chunks.
So,
Grind the coconut, green chilies.
our this chopper grinder is ready. So we have added some coconut. Do you want me to add more?
Yeah, grated coconut. Yes, that should be fine.
Okay.
We'll do that in the next batch now. Green chilies, we already added. That should be fine.
Okay.
Green chilies, cumin seed, we've already added.
Yeah.
And then we'll pour in part of the yogurt.
This is the plain yogurt, right?
Plain yogurt.
So we already have this mixture of grinded coconut, cumin seeds, green chili, and
Yogurt.
what else? Yogurt, plain yogurt. So you want me to put it directly into this?
Pour it directly into this. And this too. Yeah. It's on low heat now. Eh?
Yes.
Okay. Now let it stay and we'll mix well, of course. Mix well.
Okay, so while this is getting done, we will do the tadka. And for that, we are using ghee, which is called clarified butter. How much you want?
Enhances the taste of anything. I don't know how much you put in the tadka. Just,
is this enough, or you want me to put a little bit more?
Yeah, put more. Ghee is ghee.
Yeah.
It enhances the taste anyway.
Yeah, for sure.
All the world's best chefs, even today in the Western world, use ghee, clarified butter, because they say it's at a high boiling point.
Is it enough?
Brings out the flavor of everything. Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay. Yeah, so the ghee is melted now.
And take some mustard seeds. What do we need?
How much?
1 to 2 teaspoons. So make a rough judgment of 1 to 2 teaspoons. And that's dried curry leaves. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Otherwise, our colleague Ansh might say it's too hot.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's time to put this.
Switch that off.
Okay, I'm turning this off, and now it's time to.
Tadka. Wow, that is how it is. Good. Fragrant. Mix it well, and then we can toast some buns or bread.
So our mango yogurt sauce is ready.
Mango in yogurt
and
coconut sauce.
Coconut sauce is ready. It smells amazing, and you know it got cooked like in a very less span of time, right? Yeah. I thought it's going to be a little bit tough for me, but I think it was pretty easy. Yeah,
yeah. It's quite delicious. You'll taste it. It's very good with hot rice. Pour it in hot rice and it's wonderful.
Oh wow! So I'm gonna try it, and I'm sure you viewers will like it too.
What's it called? The methi powder.
Oh, okay.
Just
a pinch of it.
Just a pinch that adds the flavor.
So this is like for the garnishing.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So I'm gonna. Okay.
And sugar, a pinch of sugar is optional. But
okay.
It's good. You can try it.
Okay.
Pinch or 2 pinches of sugar.
All right.
And then mix it again, and that's done. And of course, we shouldn't forget for the aroma, fragrance, little bit of hing. Hing is also called what?
Asafoetida.
Of course.
Yeah, that's what they call it.
Yeah, Westerners call it, of course, the devil's dung.
Wow. You have stories for everything, and I think we should save it for next time when we come up with another recipe. Yes. But till then, I have made it, and you guys make it too and enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.